I'm going to explain to you why I don't think we're hitting 10,000, 12,000, 14,000. I don't think we're going to go down to those numbers. But first, please like, subscribe, check us down below for our CT Club where you get our trade alerts, portfolio, and you get to see what we are doing during this bear market. Okay, so recently, the other day, I went on a Google or a Twitter hangout. Thing was like, hey, have we hit a bottom yet? And a lot of people are like, well, this line and this line, you know, it says we haven't hit a bottom. We need to, you know, double test or whatever. I'm just like, guys, like, forget all that right now. What I'm looking at is we've just experienced the lending platforms like Celsius. We've had Voyager. We've had Anchor Protocol pretty much go under. And that didn't bring us further than $17,500. Why is that? I think a lot of people are realizing, wow, that was the biggest capitulation event we've ever experienced, ever. Like, this was more than the March 2020 government shuts down the entire globe and creates a depression, essentially, because there was over 30% unemployment back then. And yeah, so like, what would cause that? And especially with all the FOMC meetings, we are now into, the US is now heading into a recession, or is in a recession, or they're not admitting it. You know, what the heck would cause that? Because back in 2020, in March, we had a capitulation event, something that had to, it was the catalyst. So the government shutdowns were just essentially a catalyst for bringing it from 7,000 to 3,500. Okay, that was a giant capitulation event, but it had to happen. There had to be a catalyst, right? What the heck is going to be a catalyst that would be even stronger than all of the leveraged positions getting obliterated, all the lending platforms getting destroyed? What is going to be the catalyst to bring it down even further? I mean, that would have to be something very severe, in my opinion. So that is why I don't think we're heading down to these levels around 10,000, 12,000, 14,000, where this guy that, you know, I had gone on to this Twitter hangout, and I'm like, hey, listen, I just don't see it happening. He's like, you know what? It's as simple as this. There's more sellers than buyers. I'm like, no, it's not as simple as that, because there had to be a catalyst, like I said, back in 2020, for it to go down all that way. Whereas, what the heck is going to cause it now? So please, if you have any idea of how we're going to get down that low, leave a comment, because I'm very curious. I'm genuinely curious. I've been trying to figure this out for a while now, and I haven't had any good answers. So please like, subscribe, and I will talk to you soon.